Alright guys, in today's video in FabriCAM, we're going to be looking at some cam settings for looping your edges of your actual cuts, or should I say the corners of your cuts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, fade back into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today's video we're going to be looking at some looping features, or the looping for the not edges but the actual corners when it's cutting. And this is great if you want to get a bit of a smoother cut on your edges, so not so much distortion. Then you might want to use this feature. So in order to do that, I've just got a basic sheet here. I'm just going to quickly nest some shapes. Say accept, move these to the center. So now currently if I go into cam and I zoom in here, you guys can see that all these edges will pretty much be cutting to the edge and then cutting up, which for most cases is going to be fine. But if you want to have a very clean corner over here, then you might want to use some looping. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out of cam, go to configuration, and then on the fourth tab, our cam tab, I'm going to go over here and then just navigate here to the right, the bottom where you see loop. Now you can activate that and also set the amount or how far the loop is going to be going. At the moment it's 5mm, which will be fine for the tutorial. So I'm going to say apply. Okay. And then what we want to do is go back to cam, and now you'll notice everywhere where we don't have a lead in and out, because the lead in and out will also do a clean cut, we have this loop. So now once it comes down here, it's going to loop around and carry on cutting over there, so it gives us a nice smooth corner over there. You'll see it does it to all the corners other than the one with the lead in and out. So it's pretty handy. And yeah, so that is it on loop. So just a recap, it will be under configuration, go to cam or the cam tab, and then you activate it here by loop. I'm just going to leave mine off for now, but yeah, that is a very nice feature to use from the cam features. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares you do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.